Hey, Digby dog. I'm home today. Aren't you excited? Okay. So I'm sitting here now trying to get things organized in my office a little bit more, and plus some of the rest of the house with the different tools and cables and all this kind of junk I got. The first round with these toolboxes that I bought. You can see I've got just a few connector cables, charging bases and this kind of stuff, a few extra hard drives here, and just a whole variety of just junk things that have just been piling up that I want to get sorted out, organized, and figure out what I'm going to do with them all. And that's a good thing. But the problem I have, if you go back a couple of vlogs, when I bought these boxes, they're black and I couldn't find the white markers I can write on them, and that's kind of annoying. So I remembered I have a label printer. I even found somewhere around here I've got different tapes and that, you know, just a little simple label printer thing. The problem is I'm so disorganized with everything, there's one thing I can't find anywhere in the house. And that's my label maker. I just dropped my wife off for a weekend retreat of scrapbooking. I'm going to be popping home to sleep rather than staying here at the hotel, but also depends on what happens with the supposed snowstorm tomorrow. But now, I'm going to head off to my local office supply place. I couldn't find my label printer, so I'm going to buy a new one. Oh, it's so bright out today. Why is it so bright? Right. I left my sunglasses at home. That sucks. Okay, so this was bound to happen sooner or later, and unfortunately it happened sooner than later. When I went to record all the stuff using my cell phone, I just was going to grab my cell phone and go that way and record everything. When I went to the local office supply place to pick up that label printer, a couple of things had happened. One, as I'm doing the editing now, I realized the sound glitched a couple of times. Sorry, don't know what I can do about that. That just cut out blip blip a couple of times during that intro little part there, but it's what happens, and that's going to be the reality of it. The second thing, though, is that I thought I had my phone in video mode, but apparently I had it in photo mode. So all I got was a photo of walking into the shop, a photo of the display, and a photo of that. So that just gives an idea what the day was kind of like. But I guess that was probably about the worst thing today. So I can't complain that much about that. Grabbed the bag from the car and went to bring it in. This happened right away. Gotta love that. Oh well. Who uses these to install anything anymore? That should help. Just realized a really cool bonus with these toolboxes that I picked up the other day, the small little ones for storing everything. What was really cool, I didn't realize, but on the bottom they got little nubs, they got little holes in the top, and so they line up, I say, and they lock together. I don't have to build a bunch of shelves to start off. Nice. I think I got a few boxes left over from the holidays I've got to get rid of. Where's my box cutter?